Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a meal from Goodfood. This is not sponsored in any way, shape or form, but I get these boxes every once in a while, usually when I find a good coupon code, and I just thought that I'd bring you guys along with me while I make one of the meals. So today we're going to be making fried eggplant ceviche with mango chopped salad and red cabbage. And what I love about these meal boxes is that everything comes like pre-packaged and it's all portioned out, so you don't have to worry about like going and buying ingredients to make everything. They send you all the ingredients, they send you only as much as you need, and you don't have a bunch of extra stuff going to waste. So I definitely love that about getting these boxes. So I just went ahead and I preheated my oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and now I'm just going to go ahead and start slicing up the eggplant. So now I'm just going ahead and placing it on a cookie sheet, or I mean really it could be anything because it's not going to go into the oven. And I just went ahead and I'm salting both sides of it. This is just to draw the moisture out of the eggplant. You're just going to let that sit for about 15 minutes or so. And while that's sitting, I'm going to start chopping up the cucumber and the tomato into just small little cube-sized pieces. And that's going to go for part of the salad that's going to be in the wrap. So the mango is also going to get chopped up into little cubes, and eventually this is all going to be tossed into one bowl basically, which I did not know. I didn't read ahead in the instructions, so I was putting everything into smaller bowls and then they ended up all getting tossed together anyways. But and then there's also going to be some mint leaves that I'm going to take off their stems and just give a rough chop to as well. So I chopped my mint leaves. I also chopped up some scallions there, I'm sure you guys saw. And now I'm adding everything into that bowl and to make the salad. So the salad called for all the tomatoes, the cucumbers, the mango, the mint, and half of the scallions. And then they had also sent some vinegar and a spice blend. So it called for half the vinegar, half the spice blend, and then just a drizzle of olive oil. And then you're just supposed to be seasoning it with salt and pepper to your own taste. And then in a moment here, I'm going to start to prepare the cabbage salad. But first of all, I wanted to show you guys how this salad ended up looking. It just looks so pretty with all of the beautiful colors. And the cabbage salad is just as simple as the other one. Just tossed in the cabbage, the remaining scallions, the remaining vinegar, and a drizzle of olive oil, and she was done. So now we're just going to go ahead and get ready to fry up the eggplant. So I just had a drizzle of olive oil on medium to high heat, and I just got my pan all nice and hot. And then I went ahead and patted dry all of the eggplant just to get rid of any excess moisture. And then we're going to carefully fry those guys up in batches for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they're browned. And then after that, I just transfer them to a paper towel lined plate. And then at the very end, I did season with the remaining spice blend and salt and pepper to taste. So now we're heading back over to the other side, and we're going to be making the red pepper hummus. So they sent actual hummus, and then all I'm doing is I'm combining it with the red pepper masala that they also sent, and I'm going to season it with salt and pepper to taste. All right, you guys, so now I'm going to take my pitas out of their wrapping and I'm going to stick them into the oven. I had it preheating there, and yes, I know my oven is really dirty and it needs to be cleaned. But definitely, if you're going to make this, be very, very careful about how long you toast those pitas for, because I toasted mine way too long, and then at the end you'll see I had a real struggle trying to open them up. It was a situation for sure. So once you finally get your pitas open, this is why I'm telling you guys, make sure you don't toast them too long. You can go ahead and start putting your hummus in there and layer it with your eggplant and both of your salads. And then just season with salt and pepper to taste. And it just looks so, so yummy. Such beautiful bright colors. It was almost too pretty to eat. I'm going to give this a try on camera. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god. It was so good. It's really different. I think maybe next time I would put a little bit less of the mint in there. It's very minty. Mint is a very strong flavor, so I maybe would put a little bit less of the mint in there, but the combination, like with the vinegar and the mango, super, super good. Well, I'm gonna go and eat this now because I'm hungry and it's way past lunchtime. So I'm gonna go and eat this. Thank you guys so very much for hanging out with me today. Hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!